Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys don't know, the video today it's all about the earbuds from Anker. Now, for further talking or further ado, let's get started through the video today. Ooh, there we go. So as some of you guys can see that this is the Soundcore A20i, and it seems to be so much interesting, just like the other Anker which we came out with, like the Live.2. It was really amazing. It's almost an year right now since we reviewed that product. Today we are having the A20i. It seems to be so much interesting throughout this earbud, and we're gonna just be checking it out and review it and see what's happening. So let us just get started throughout the video of today. Okay, guys, here we have it. This is our product, and right now we're gonna just do a really quick unboxing through the product and see what's happening. So there we go, guys. As you can see, first thing first, we are having the paperwork in here. As you can see, really cool to just read it and understand what's going on throughout this kind of paperwork and know what's happening with your earbud. It's really a great good thing to just have a look at it. And as you can see, you're having another paperwork in here, so there are two paperworks, which it's really cool. Other kind of stuff, you're having the USB-C, so really great to have the USB-C in here. So yeah, and last but not least, this is our earbud, and it comes with the string in here, which it's just mounted on the string, so you just don't need to mount it, which it's a great thing too. So we're gonna just remove this kind of nylon in here so as we can have a look what's happening with our product. As you can see, really portable, and we can differentiate with the Skull Candy, which I've been using. These are the Skull Candy push active, and this is the earbud from Anker, which is the A20i. So there's really a slight difference. See guys, in here, really cool. And on the port side of charging, is just at the back. You can spot it in here. This is the port of USB-C to be charging your earbud, which is really convenience. And another kind of stuff on this side, this is your earbud, and it's ready to go, I guess. So, oh no, it's not ready to go. We have to remove something in here. You can see on the dock, and so as we can connect it and hear the sound, how much it's going to be picking. So I'm gonna return it right now and return it right now and see what's happening. So you can see the lightning has started lightning. That means I can pair on my device. So yeah guys, we are inside the application, and we're gonna just tap on connecting, and it will be connected. So this is your dashboard, and you're gonna see everything through here, what's happening. Are you enjoying this app? Definitely, but I'll give you guys a review later. But talking about later, you can go to control side, you can ping, or you can map. What am I saying? Ping, map. You can map the buttons depending on what you want. And another kind of stuff, you can go to equalizer. You can change between electronic, flat, acoustic, depending on what you want. And you can even have your bass up sound. So bass up, it's just crazy. It's like this Anker Q10, it has something called the bass up. So it boosts the sound and giving it more bass. So it's really dope. Another cool feature throughout here, you're having find device, and you can ring them knowing where they at. So I'm gonna do a demo in here so as you guys can see. Okay, you can hear guys, right? That beep. So I'm gonna stop there, and you're gonna try left, or you can beep all of them together to know where they at, and you can even increase the sound. Okay, pretty cool. I like that. It's actually not a bad idea just to track them and know where they are, but when they're in a congested area, it's so hard to hear the sound, especially when you leave them somewhere far or outside. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna keep it close. I'm gonna keep it close on my mic. Okay, quite not bad, huh? Okay. Actually, the bass is good. I like it. The way it's just kicking in, it's really amazing. Even here, I can hear the sound. Okay, that's dope. Testing another type of music. Okay. Not bad. That's cool. That's cool. That's dope. Okay. Really cool from the earbud. It's really performing really well. I have no any problem with that. It's just working very smoothly. Very nice. I kind of love them. And they just, you see how they stay on your ears this way, and the other one just stays this way. It's just give it some spacing between your ears, so you can see the spacing between my ears, right? And it gives like a little bit of a bump in this side, so that's a little bit of annoying. I'm like, it's easy to be seen this way, but if I'm gonna be using the Skull Candy, I understand it's much bigger, but it's a little bit, you see, it's just went this way, but this one is just going directly through this kind of big bump. It's quite not bad, but it's cool. We're going to talk about the specification of the A20i. Well, it has the customized sound, and it has some AI enhanced calls via 2 microphones, and it's tailored experience with Soundcore app, and it has 9 hours of playtime, 28 hours with charging case, which is really cool, and it's an IPX waterproof resistance, which is a really great thing. It has a bass up technology, which is really amazing.
This audio right now you're listening is coming directly throughout the earbuds, and you can hear how much it's speaking. It's quite not bad. It's really interesting through here, and it's really amazing. I can say the 2 microphone inside the earbuds, which they inserted with some AI enhanced. It's really cool. And another kind of stuff, if you're outdoor, the experience will be a little bit slightly different throughout the audio. And yeah, it's really amazing throughout out there. You can explore throughout it, and it's a good bud, to be honest. And the audio is speaking really cool. So yeah.
Jumping out throughout the conclusion, through the A20i earbud from Anker, is it really worth it to purchase it? Is it really good? I would like to say this earbud, it's dope. And it comes packed with a lot of features, which I can say it's a little bit budget earbud, not that much breaking your bank. It's really good. But the only thing about this earbud, which I wish it could be having, it's a little bit much better throughout the enhancement of the ears, which is quite not bad. From the scale of 10 to 0, this earbud, what am I saying, bird? This earbud scores around 8. Yeah, I'll give it 8. It's really cool. I like it. It's really stealth, compact. You can hold it with your hand, and it's just amazing. So that's what's up, guys. This is the Anker A20i. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this earbud. This earbud are really dope to my own kind of perspective, and I'm gonna be continue using it and use it as my daily, because the Skull Candy right now, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a chill because I've been grinding or using this Skull Candy for a while. It's almost a year right now, but right now the A20i will be the captain and will be rocking, and I'll be using it throughout even cycling and all of that, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on my Instagram account on the updates of the A20i. So if you didn't follow me on my Instagram account, well, definitely you should be following me on my Instagram account, so as you can never miss out any kind of tech updates over there, and it's gonna be really cool. So that's what's up, guys. This is the earbud from Anker, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the video today, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, guys, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.